Improving productivity and safety, reducing downtime and waste are very important. Terms like smart factories, cloud, Internet of Things are ubiquitous. PATLITE offers solutions with a lineup of network products that can connect to your existing equipment regardless of brand or age. Our network solutions are designed to not only deliver superior visual and audible signals, but also make it easy to collect critical data, send and receive network commands, and monitor your processes remotely and in real time. They are used in manufacturing, logistics, buildings and offices, medical systems, transportation systems, retail operations, and so on. We offer various interfaces including discrete I/O, Ethernet, USB, and I/O link, so you can easily connect to various devices and systems. Controlling and communicating with our network products is easy because they support several protocols, environments, and operating systems including Windows, Linux, Cloud, HTTP, and Modbus TCP. So you can easily achieve visualization by using our network products in a variety of environments to suit any situation. PATLITE's USB-controlled signal tower can be used immediately because it has USB bus power and does not require a dedicated driver. It can be controlled with a DLL library for Windows or directly by Windows or Linux programming. We have sample source codes in several programming languages. Here are some application examples. Inspection software, testing equipment, measuring devices, self-checkout, self-service machines, an industrial printer. You have endless possibilities with PATLITE's Ethernet programmable LED signal tower. Get power over Ethernet, easy connection and communication with one cable, and easily control and receive feedback with various commands. You can use HTTP or Modbus TCP protocols and directly program using Windows or Linux OS. We have sample source codes in various programming languages. This product can be used for access control in the medical field, as an extreme feedback device for software development, production and assembly lines, command centers such as transportation, traffic, and space, and much more. PATLITE's I/O Link devices have many advantages. Among them are, they are controllable via I/O Link, are easy to install, have 7 selectable colors and various alarms. Non-I/O Link sensors are supported, and they are highly visible so you can quickly understand operating instructions and status. Our I/O Link devices are commonly used in automotive production lines, food and beverage factories, and logistics facilities. Our network-enabled signaling devices will help you improve productivity, reduce loss, and create manpower and labor savings in order to optimize your manufacturing sites.